Welcome to the TRICS time series analysis module, a major new feature within TRICS 8. This short overview explains why the module was developed, how it works, and how it can be used to explore historic trip generation trends directly within TRICS. The time series analysis module replaces the old historic trends template, which many of you will remember as a set of Excel sheets downloaded from the TRICS website. That spreadsheet system worked, but it was manual, time-consuming, and inconsistent. Each user handled the data slightly differently, and results couldn't be easily audited or reproduced. Integrating this process directly into TRICS resolves all of these issues. It provides a transparent, consistent, and fully auditable method for viewing changes in trip rates over time. And it aligns perfectly with the TRICS Good Practice Guide and the principles of decide and provide. Within TRICS 8, you'll now find a time series button on the main taskbar. Clicking it opens a simple dedicated interface designed for trend analysis. From here, users can make a series of familiar selections. Choose your land use subcategory, select the time slice length, and specify the location types you want to include. Then, define the trip rate parameter, such as per dwelling or per 100 meters squared GFA. You can set the earliest and latest survey dates, pick your survey period, and choose the mode and direction of flow. For example, vehicle only, arrivals plus departures. Once those are confirmed, TRICS analyzes the database in real time and produces the results instantly. By embedding this function within TRICS, we reinforce the system's commitment to clarity, consistency, and auditability. The module gives practitioners immediate access to evidence of how trip generation has changed over time, essential for the decide and provide approach, which uses historic data to shape sustainable, vision-led futures. Now for some examples. For the first example, I'll open the new time series analysis module via the button on the TRICS main toolbar. From here, I'll select the land use subcategory 01A Food Superstores. We'll include all location types to maintain a broad representative sample. The trip rate calculation parameter will be gross floor area. For the survey period, I'll select 7 AM to 7 PM, and for the mode, we'll use total vehicles, with direction of flow set to arrivals plus departures. Once those are confirmed, I'll run the analysis. The module generates an interactive chart plotting time along the x-axis and trip rates along the y-axis. You can hover over any point to view details such as the number of surveys used for that time slice. There's also a data table next to the chart listing all of our selections, the calculated trip rates, and the corresponding survey counts. However, in this case you'll notice that some of the time slices contain fewer than 4 surveys. The system automatically highlights these in red, and an exclamation mark appears above the affected data points. If I hover over one of those symbols, a message appears. There is at least one dataset highlighted in red. TRICS suggests you proceed with caution. This is an important feature. It ensures users are fully aware of where the dataset is weaker, without preventing them from viewing the data. It's a transparent warning that helps maintain the integrity of any work carried out using TRICS data. This process only takes a few seconds. No more exporting to CSV files or copying data into Excel spreadsheets. It's the same process for every land use, and the outputs are immediately audit ready within TRICS. Let's open the analysis for 04B secondary schools. For this one, I'll set the time slice length to 10 years to show a longer term overview, and again include all location types. The trip rate parameter will be number of pupils. I'll set the survey period to 7 AM to 7 PM, choose multimodal as the mode, and again select arrivals plus departures for the direction of flow. Once the analysis runs, TRICS produces the familiar graph and data table. To the right of the display, the data table once again lists the survey counts, selected parameters, and time periods used. From here, users can export directly to PDF or CSV with all these details, including the standard TRICS caveats, version number, and license record. The time series analysis module is simple, fast, and fully integrated. It removes the need for manual spreadsheets, ensures that all outputs are versioned and auditable, and supports the professional standards set out in the TRICS Good Practice Guide. It also provides the historic evidence base needed for Decide and Provide, helping practitioners to understand past travel behaviour and to plan confidently for the future. Thank you for watching this introduction to the TRICS Time Series Analysis module. And of course, we look forward to hearing your feedback as you begin using this new feature within TRICS 8.